Hello, I'm Rommel. In this video, I'll reveal the hidden vulnerabilities women possess. Vulnerabilities they prefer to keep secret because they fear these could make them appear exposed to you. By understanding these weaknesses, you'll be able to win them over with surprising ease. But before diving in, don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button and subscribing. Doing this not only helps support the channel and enables me to create more content for you, but it also signals to the algorithm that this video is valuable, helping it reach others who might benefit from this information. So can I count on your like? Let's dive right in. Weakness 1, the decisive man. Women are irresistibly drawn to men whose actions align with their words. They often feel captivated by men who say little. Why? Because fewer promises are easier to fulfill. Women place a higher value on actions than words, so always ensure your actions reinforce what you say. For instance, if you want to appear as a high-value man who's socially desirable, introduce her to your female friends, share pictures with them on social media, and let your actions showcase your desirability and status. Weakness 2. The confident man. Confidence in a man is immensely attractive to women. They're naturally drawn to a man who radiates self-assurance because it contrasts with their own insecurities. To exude confidence and increase your attractiveness, speak with conviction, avoid filler words, and listen more than you talk. This not only makes her feel heard, but also adds a layer of mystery, leaving her wanting more. Additionally, don't hesitate to say no. It shows you aren't easily swayed, which enhances her respect and attraction toward you. Weakness 3. The ambitious man. Women are highly attracted to ambitious men, those who refuse to settle for mediocrity. A man who chases goals, whether it's launching a business or pursuing a new project, radiates leadership and determination. Women see potential not just in financial success, but in the dynamic, risk-taking energy of a man chasing his dreams. To present yourself as ambitious, work on a side project, or dedicate time to a goal every day. Dive into content related to your interests, as this mindset will naturally reflect in your behavior, making you appear like a visionary in her eyes. Weakness 4. The mysterious bad boy. There's an undeniable charm in the mysterious bad boy that women find irresistible. They are drawn to the emotional roller coaster these men create, often becoming obsessed. To channel this persona, take control of the relationship, stay a bit self-centered, and keep her guessing about your intentions. While I'm not suggesting becoming a genuine bad boy, adopting certain traits like unpredictability and avoiding rushed commitments can make you more intriguing and desirable. Weakness 5. Being ignored. Women thrive on attention, so being ignored often makes you stand out. It challenges her pride, leaving her wondering why you aren't giving her the attention others do. To use this, treat her like anyone else, act indifferent around her, and maintain a carefree attitude when you're apart. This approach will prompt her to work harder for your attention, increasing her attraction toward you. Weakness 6. The charismatic Playboy. Women are naturally drawn to men admired by other women due to a psychological phenomenon called pre-selection. Surrounding yourself with female friends, even if they're not romantic partners, creates a perception of desirability. This boosts your attractiveness in her eyes. The goal is to subtly show that other women find you appealing, which elevates your status in her mind. Weakness 7. The well-groomed man. A study from Brazil found that women are especially sensitive to smells and are more likely to feel attracted to men who smell good. To take advantage of this, focus on your grooming routine. Use a pleasantly scented shampoo, maintain fresh breath, and choose a subtle yet long-lasting cologne. A well-groomed man conveys care and attention to detail, qualities women find highly attractive. Weakness 8. The masculine man. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude masculinity, defined by physical strength, a deep voice, and emotional independence. Masculine men are leaders who don't depend on others for their sense of worth. To embody this, engage in physical activities, develop leadership qualities, and maintain your independence. This projects strength, which is deeply appealing to women. Weakness 9. The passionate man. While the masculine man exudes strength, the passionate man captivates women by channeling intense emotions into what he loves. His enthusiasm is contagious, making him highly attractive. To embody this, dive deeply into a project or subject you're passionate about and speak about it with genuine enthusiasm. Observe her reactions and adjust your approach to keep her intrigued. Speaking passionately about what excites you will make her admire you and create a strong emotional connection. Weakness. 10. The emotionally intelligent man. Women, being naturally emotional, are drawn to men who understand and manage their emotions. Emotionally intelligent men stand out because they can connect with women on a deeper level. To develop emotional intelligence, listen carefully, pay attention to her body language, and provide support without immediately offering solutions. Creating memorable experiences and changing the environment will also strengthen your bond. By doing this, you'll become someone she trusts emotionally, making you incredibly attractive with minimal effort. Use female psychology to your advantage. I hope this video has been helpful, my friend. Comment below with the phrase, "I am the best version of myself" for women. By the way, if you're looking to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by liking and subscribing. This helps support the channel and allows me to create more content for you. Share your thoughts or comments below. Express yourself freely. Remember to keep a positive attitude, and until next time, thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming.